PTC, we know how important it is to acknowledge cultural moments. And this Black History Month, I think we have really outdone ourselves in taking time to reflect and create community in a way that we truly haven't done before. So through our Black Employee Resource Group, we brought together Black employees and allies from across our company to come together and build community to talk about how we can drive our business forward and how we can support our commitment to PTC for all.
Hey everyone, it's Dwayne Richards. What brings me to PTC? Well, one thing is that it's the Black Employee Symposium that's happening right now. And what I do is, my job is very simple. I teach people how to be anti-racist, not only in life, at work, in their communities, and beyond.
I hope that folks take away, again, this idea that there's more questions they need to be asking. This isn't a check the box. I hope that folks continue to have these conversations. Specifically, I hope the white folks and the folks who hold the most power at PTC continue to challenge themselves. It's not enough to just recognize that these things are happening or we're perpetuating these things, but what are you actively doing to unlearn these things? What are you actively doing to model more equity in unlearning these practices for your folks? And then for folks of color, I really hope that they feel empowered to feel seen, right? That we have to do these things, we have to dehumanize ourselves often as a means of survival, as a means of success, in order to get places, in order to get our checks. And I also hope it gives them a space to feel more empowered, that you do not have to educate everybody for free. You get to take up more space to just be, to heal, to process. Yeah, thanks for having me.
Hi, my name is Emma Tebow. I am the chair of our Black Employee Resource Group here at PTC, and we've been coming together the past 2.5 days with our Black employees and allies to really work through building some community, doing some action planning, and making sure that we are furthering this event even after we all go back to our day jobs.
Power, healing, and progress happens through community. And I believed in that before, and that was confirmed for me this week as I saw our Black employees, many of our Black employees from across the company come together to talk about their experiences, what drives them, opportunities for us to do better as an organization and build community. Personally, it was a really impactful experience to be able to decompress and take a moment and think about the journey that we're on as a company, and how very important this work is, not just for the health of our business and our brand, but for the people who are here and putting people at the center of everything that we do.